For those of you who like creepy creatures, this is what I have in my backyard. This is my, just put it on the side, my index nail. So it's about the size of my index nail, and basically was on the in between flowers. I did crush it a little bit, so it's not exactly that prime now. And well, I have nothing to say in this video, just showing it, but it's creepy and you surely won't escape. I cannot imagine being a small insect and seeing this bug coming towards you. And I have to say that usually what I do is when I'm in my garden, I just remove my crooks, and I try to squeeze it. I get both crooks and try to squeeze it in between the sole of the crooks. And crooks obviously are kind of squishy, and I can say that it's not easy to squeeze, to crush one of these. They are really stiff, like, well, not wood-like stiff, but those legs are really strong. I'm not sure, creatinine or something like this. Yes, I do exterminate this when I see them. And my recipe, actually, I had quite a few of this, because if you let them propagate, they will multiply. I had a lot of this on the fence, was a wood fence, and they love the wood fence. And my recipe for this, I got a spray, whatever bottle of spray you can get. And I did mix half water, half bleach, chlorine, bleach, whatever, Javel, Javex, half water, half bleach, and with a hint of paprika. And just spray it where the nest is, so you can tell the web has a corner where's the nest. It's like a tunnel. Just spray it into that tunnel, and this creature will just jump from those web, from those tunnel, from those holes. They just jump all the way into the grass when they feel that chlorine or whatever Javex bleach it is. And also that solution keeps them from returning for at least several years. I think the last time I did spray like this was 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and has been pretty clean of spiders for 2-3 years. I think the bleach chases them away right away on the spot, but the paprika does stay on the corner where the fence is, basically, and prevents them from returning there. It does work. I do recommend you. Also, you can crush them, but they are. I got shivers. They are going to return. So basically, you need to spray most areas of the fence where they try to locate to keep them away. Ugh. Okay, we are glad. I think there are a couple of movies about these things, like horror movies, but we are glad we are rather bigger than these creatures. Just imagine if one of these kind of one couple of feet tall would come towards you. I'm just not sure what I will do with my savage. All right, thanks for watching. No, it's not a pet. At least not at my home.